Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Namaskaram to all. Before starting the text, I wish to give you a small introduction on Ashtanga HRIDAYA. We all know that Ashtanga HRIDAYA was written by Sri Vagbhada Acharya. This text has a deep relation with the traditional Kerala Ayurveda Chikitsa. Here, this textual knowledge was transformed through the generations of Ashtavaidya Parampara as oral chantings and teachings. Kerala Ayurveda got the world acceptance because we are the followers of this Ashtanga HRIDAYA tradition and its practices. Practical Ayurveda is very well explained in this text. Ashtanga HRIDAYA was made by Vagbhada by collecting the main core parts from Samhitas like Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita, etc. He says in the first chapter that Kriyade Ashtanga Hridayam na Adi Samkshepa Vistaram. I am doing this text without more elaboration or without concising more. The way of presentation in this text can be easily understood by common man who knows Sanskrit well. Charaka Samhita and Sushruta Samhita are written in such a way that the views in this text are in a universal thought process. But in Ashtanga HRIDAYA, Acharya collected the main parts from different texts and joined it like a beautiful garland. There are many commentaries for this text in different languages, but the Sarvanga Sundara commentary of Arunadatta and the Ayurveda Rasayana commentary of Hemadri are the important ones. Both are in Sanskrit also. Only by keeping these commentaries with the Moola Grantha, we can understand the correct meaning of shloka. So, all of you should have a copy of this text. Now, I will tell you the importance of studying Ashtanga HRIDAYA in this traditional way. Each shloka in Ashtanga HRIDAYA is connected with the previous and the next one. Like that, each adhyaya and each sthana are arranged. In academic years, we usually select the important shlokas and correlate with the modern subjects and study. But it is incomplete actually. It will not impart the real knowledge of Shastra. So, if you study in this way, your views on Ashtanga HRIDAYA and Ayurveda Shastra will change a lot. You can see and understand the things in a different way. I am telling this from my own experiences. It will help you more and more in the practical application of this science. So, we can pray to Lord Dhanodari to bless all of us to continue the study very well till the end. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.